grilled sandwich recipe at home. To a mixer grinder, add fresh coriander, 4 green chilies and fresh mint. Mix them well and this forms your pudina chutney or mint chutney. Cut 1 capsicum. Cut 1 tomato. Cut half a cucumber. If you want, you can use 1 cucumber also according to the quantity. Cut 1 onion. Cut cabbage. Add them to a separate bowl. Add mayonnaise. Approximately 2 spoons of mayonnaise. Add salt to taste. Mix them properly so the vegetables will get mixed with the mayonnaise. Take 2 slices of bread and apply butter on them. Add mayonnaise on them. Add the prepared vegetables with mixed mayonnaise. Add chili flakes. Add oregano. Add 1 grated cheese cube. You can add the cheese according to quantity of your choice. Spread the mint chutney which we prepared earlier. This is gonna be real cheesy after it is toasted. Apply some butter on the top of the bread. Place it on the toaster. Make sure to apply little butter on the toaster before putting the bread. Make sure to check it a couple of times. Flip it around. Apply butter on the other side of the bread. Keep it just below max. Let it toast for 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to flip it around in the middle. And there you go. Your sandwich is ready. Make sure to cut it like this or however you want. Pair it with a side of ketchup. As you can see, the filling is really tasty. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.